Before drones, before stealth, there was the sound that changed warfare forever. The Huey, a helicopter that didn't just fly soldiers. It rewrote how wars were fought. The Bell UH-1 Iroquois was born in the Cold War, but defined the Vietnam War. Fast deployment, vertical mobility, rapid extraction. This helicopter turned infantry into air assault forces. Simple design, single engine, proven reliability. The UH-1 wasn't built to intimidate, it was built to work. Troop transport, medical evacuation, fire support, the UH-1 did it all. Where runways didn't exist, the Huey created access. Flying low, under fire, the UH-1 turned pilots into frontline warriors. Courage wasn't optional, it was required. The UH-1 didn't just support combat, it reshaped doctrine. Modern helicopters exist because the Huey proved they mattered. Understanding the UH-1 means understanding modern warfare. Why mobility wins battles. How helicopters changed infantry tactics. History gives context. Context builds insight. The Bell UH-1 Iroquois wasn't perfect, but it was revolutionary. If you want more legendary military aviation stories, subscribe now, like the video, share it, and tell us in the comments. Is the Huey the most important helicopter ever built?